In this video, we'll discuss few specific things regarding transformation of sentences. And these transformation of sentences are related to assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, and assertive to, or vice versa. We can reverse those actions. How to do these things we'll go through. Then we'll have an exercise that is to be done by us. So what we have to do first, we have to understand these methods. Once these are done before, so this is a recapitulation of those previous chapters. While going through this video, I request you to write down the things to be displayed on the screen. And those exercises in Rain and Martin or in Joseph, you must try to solve. If you have doubt regarding any question, if you have doubt regarding any of the topics, do let me know. I'll surely help you out to solve that one. Now, we'll divide this very topic into multiple parts. Hopefully, this will surely help. Second thing is that it's an audio-visual one. I have tried to make how much I can. Now, the most important thing is to write.
Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean a complete sentence. Has at least a subject and a main verb to state a complete thought. Examples. Kinds of sentences according to the purpose and structure. So the sentence types we have: assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. I am regular in my class. That is assertive: why were you absent yesterday? Interrogative: don't miss your lesson. This is an order. So imperative: hey, don't touch my phone. A surprise related concept is there. So exclamatory. And last one: may the king of warriors sleep wrong, a wish, optative. But we will omit this part, optative. Instead, we will take this as a part of imperative sentence. What is sentence transformation? The transformation of a sentence is all about changing its form without altering the meaning. That means we will change the structure, not the meaning. We can change one exclamatory sentence into assertive, or we can do the opposite too without changing the meaning. What a great pleasure it is! Exclamatory. This is indeed, or this is truly, or obviously, or surely a great pleasure. Types of sentence transformation: affirmative into negative sentence or vice versa. Affirmative, often we consider that one as positive sentence. Assertive to imperative sentences. Affirmative to exclamatory sentences. Transformation of superlative, comparative, positive sentences. Active and passive sentences. Transforming complex, simple, compound sentences. Rules of transformation or transforming affirmative into negative sentence or vice versa. Sentence with only or alone changes into none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. Affirmative: a brave man alone can do this. We have to write none but a brave man can do this. We can also write no one except a brave man can do this. Affirmative: I need a book only. Negative: I need nothing but a book. You cannot write none since it's not a living object. Next, must, have to or can turns into cannot but. You have to drink clean water. Negative, it will be you cannot but drink clean water. And both becomes not only but also. He ate eggs and vegetables. He ate not only eggs but also vegetables. Always in affirmative becomes never plus opposite word in negative statement. I am always against of smoking. Negative, it should be I am never in favor of smoking. Universal truths are changed into interrogative negative sentences. Knowledge is power. Is not knowledge power? So, this is one of the easiest methods to convert any affirmative sentence into negative by converting that one into interrogative in negative form. Many affirmative can be changed into negative by using negative word not and an opposite word of the verb. I missed the train. Negative should be I could not catch the train. Sometimes in affirmative becomes not always in negative. The poor are sometimes happy. And the opposite, that's negative, should be the poor are not always happy. Now one exercise is provided here. You have to change this. Answer is also provided. You pause here, see the question, write the answer and check next. He is honest. Number 2, I'll never forget you. Where there is fire, there is smoke. Jamil is the best student. As soon as the teacher arrived, the noise stopped. So, we'll go for the answer just next and here are the answers. He is not dishonest. I'll always remember you. So, I will never forget you. We got the substitution. I will always remember you. Where there is fire, there is smoke. And the answer is there is no fire without smoke. Jamil is the best student. And the answer is no other student is as good as, better to use so good as Jamil. Last one, as soon as the teacher arrived, the noise stopped. No sooner had the teacher arrived than the noise stopped. So these are the 5 questions. Exercise B, change the sentences into affirmative. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. The old man is too weak to walk. None but the brave deserve the fare. Only the brave deserve the fare. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. As soon as I reached the station, it should be as soon as did I reach the station, then the train left. Nobody likes a liar. Answer is everybody dislikes a liar. Last one, not only Reena but also Rahim will go there. And the answer is both Reena and Rahim will go there. This is all about this transformation of sentence that we are continuing since last topic. And here we are going to have the next one. So the first one is interrogative, exclamatory and imperative sentence. Transformation of assertive into interrogative sentences. In case of auxiliary verb, smoking is a bad habit. Now what we'll do, we'll change the auxiliary is into is not. Is not smoking a bad habit? So what we have to do, we have to make the negative form of the auxiliary verb provided. Affirmative sentence without auxiliaries are changed into interrogative with WH question word. Do, did, does. Affirmative all hates a liar. And what do you have to do? We have to meet who does not hate a liar. Next, nobody, none, never, no are changed into who plus affirmative. And anybody, ever are changed into who plus negative verb. Example, assertive. None can deny the truth. It will be who can deny the truth. So what is done? We have used none in that assertive one, and interrogative what we have done, who we have used, and we have used affirmative term can't instead of can't. Assertive, anyone can do it. Now here we have to make it negative. Since anyone is affirmative term, we'll use negative in interrogative. Who can do it? Question with do, did, does. Negative. He said nothing about the matter. Now here did verb is used. He said, that means say plus did. Did he say anything about the matter? It is written nothing, so we are converting that one into affirmative. So keep it in mind. Basically, if we have negative statement in assertive, interrogative, it should be positive, and if it is positive in assertive, then the interrogative will be negative. So we have to convert according to the standard of the question. There is no oblique nothing but becomes who, what is. There is no use of this book. Answer will be what is the use of this book. There is no one believe in ghost. Answer will be who believes in ghost. Transforming assertive into imperative sentence. This is very new to us. Basically, we do not change like this. But here, one thing is prepared. That is, few examples are there. We don't have the plethora of examples. You are ordered to go there. Imperative should be go there. You are forbidden to drink. Now look, both are written in passive form. Don't drink. Let. You are commanded to let him go. Let him go. So what is done when you are using the passive form that is assertive, and when you use the active form that is imperative, and when you use the passive form that is assertive. It is now it is exclamatory. Transforming affirmative to exclamatory sentences. Affirmative. It is a great river. What a great river it is! Exclamatory sign. If I were, if had, just like I wish I were a king. Assertive. And exclamatory. If you find wish this term that is assertive, exclamatory. If I were a king. Affirmative. We regret the man is dead. It should be alas, the man is dead. Now, few exercises are provided now. The way we have done the previous one, we should do the same for this one. Here we go. Change the sentences from affirmative into interrogative. Nobody can do it. Next, I can never forget you. Answer is, can I ever forget you? Question is, you are a coward. And the answer key is, are not you a coward? Question is, he can do the work. And the answer is, can't he do the work? The final one, everybody wants to win. It is written wants to be win. Wants to be a winner, it is okay. Here, wants to win. Who does not wish to be a winner? So just change this statement kindly. Who does not wish to be a winner? So what we have seen, that every time when we are converting that affirmative into interrogative, we have to change the positive into negative and negative into positive. If the assertive is positive, make it negative in interrogative, and if the assertive is negative, change that one into positive when changing into this interrogative statement. Change the sentence into affirmative into exclamatory. The night is very beautiful. It is a very wonderful scene. Answer, sir, how beautiful the night is. What a wonderful scene it is. I wish I were a king. I wish I had the wings of a bird. I wish I were a king, and I wish I had the wings of bird. Answer, answer is, how if I were a king, had I the wings of bird. The last one, you draw very well. How well, or you can write how beautifully you draw. Next, change the sentences from affirmative into imperative. First one, you should do the work. He should do the work. You should always speak the truth. You are requested to help me. We should not break the rules of the company. Now here are the answers. Do the work. Let him do the work. Always speak the truth. Please help. Let us not break the rules of the company. So this is the second part we have completed. What you should do for better understanding, you should try to write these things down in your copy. And while doing the exercises, do not look into the answer. Instead, pause there for a certain time when the questions will appear. Write those questions in your copy. Write the answer by your own and check whether your answers are correct or wrong. The self-evaluation is needed for better understanding. Now keep it in mind, one parallel video is also going to be uploaded along with this one, so that you can have a better understanding of this very topic. Further, PDF will be sent as exercises and as assignment. You have to write those things with utmost attention and try to avoid any kind of error. It is hard all the time to make anything errorless, but that hard work you have to do here to make these things errorless. Hope this video will be useful, and we'll have 2 more parts of this very video. So this is the second part of transformation of sentence regarding 4 sentence type: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. So here we go. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you.
In the previous videos, we discussed about the transformation of sentences regarding the different types of sentences, and regarding assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. The particular topic of transformation of sentence regarding degree of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative.
We are well aware of the fact, but there is requirement of further practice, and today we'll just revisit those topics which have already completed. So it's just a recapitulation, so we should not forget those items. According to the degree of adjectives, sentences are 3 kinds: positive sentences, comparative sentences and finally superlative sentences. Basically, when you talk about degree in the previous classes, especially class 5, 6, 7, we talk about specific words just like good, better, best. But now onwards, what we need to do, we need to discuss all the time about the sentences, not about words. So in particular sentences, you will get the boy is the best one in the town. Sachin is the best cricketer in the world. Now, when you have to convert this one, question will be asked in ICSE examination: use good or better. So you have to rewrite the sentence in that way. So in that case, you should have the knowledge of comparative and superlative degree and positive degree in order to make that sentence a proper one. No other as in case of positive degree. Comparative form of adjective plus than. Superlative form of the degree of the adjectives, that is superlative degree. Positive: no other city is as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. You can see what is used: no other. Then what is used: as. And then adjective we have used, then again as. So as big as. But basically if we look at the perfection of grammatical use, then it should be so big as. But nowadays it is accepted, so there will be no problem in using such sentence. No other city is as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. Comparative, it will be Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Comparative: Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. You can see bigger is used, then it is than. So what we are using here: comparative form of the adjective, then than. And finally superlative: Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Here what we have used: biggest, the superlative form of the degree or adjective, then the noun. Very few as positive. Comparative form of adjective plus than most other. One of the plus superlative. This is very vital one. Often we commit mistakes in case of one of the. Superlative it is gold is one of the most precious metal. One of the most precious metals stands for there are few more metals which are as precious as gold. That means gold is not the apex one. There are few like golds. Comparative, gold is more precious than most other. It cannot be all other because few are there like gold. And positive, very few metals are as precious as gold. Very few means very less. But we cannot write no other since gold is not alone the precious one. There are few. Now, here we come to one exercise. Let us have a look at it. No other dish in the menu is as cheap as mutton chop. And you can see here, mutton chop is cheaper than any other dish on the menu. Second one, very few countries in the world as small as Bangladesh. You can see very few countries. That means Bangladesh is not the only country, but there are few. Bangladesh is smaller than most other countries in the world. We cannot write all others as we have few more like Bangladesh. Third one, he is as strong as lion. He is not less or no less stronger than a lion. It is really strong than, kindly rectify that, stronger than a lion. Next one, change from comparative into superlative. Ram is better than any other boy in the class. That means we can get there. There is no one like Rumi. Now, Rumi is the best boy in the class. Shimu is smaller than most other girls in the team. Shimu is one of the smallest girls in the team. So keep it in mind. It is written most other. That means few girls are there like Shimu. Chittagong is better than any other seaport in Bangladesh. Chittagong is the biggest seaport in Bangladesh. Now, here is the final one. Change from superlative into positive degree. Question that is provided. It writes the finest of any pen. It writes the finest of any pen. Answer is no other pen writes as good as or so good as it. I would prefer so good as it. The cow is one of the most useful animals. Very few animals are as useful as the cow. That means few are there like cow. Shakespeare is the greatest of all dramatists. No other dramatist is as great as Shakespeare. So be careful when there is any use of one of the. In case of one of the, if you find one of the, he is one of the most intelligent boys in the class. After one of the noun is going to be used, that is going to be plural. One of the boys is absent. So after one of the noun is going to be used is plural. But after that the auxiliary that is going to be used, that is singular. One of the boys is. So you can see boys, noun plural, and is, the verb is singular. So he is one of the most intelligent boys in the class. That means there are few more. One of them means out of 5, 6, he is one. That means he is not the only one or not the apex one or the best one. There are few. So whenever converting that one into comparative, we have to write he is more intelligent more intelligent than most of the boys in the class. And final one, that in case of, we already talked about comparative and superlative. In case of positive, that means very few boys are as intelligent as him. So kindly keep these things in mind and do these things appropriately. Further, what will you do? We'll go through few of the exercises. Now, this study material is as very small, because for degree change or this one we can't have that much. But what is more important, that we have to go through several exercises to make the learning perfect. And for the best of the exercises, we have to visit Rain and Martin. Thank you.